Hey everyone, Shawanas here. Welcome to this video. As you see, I'm already on my account and ready to get the day started because time is the most valuable asset when it comes to starting a business, and especially in Clickbank. Actually, time is the most valuable asset. So first of all, I want to thank all of you for your amazing feedback and for these amazing comments. I didn't know that I'm actually gonna have this many people joining the workshop, and because of that, because of your amazing feedback and your amazing interaction with us, CB Masters Academy is what it is today. I'm absolutely excited and honored and thank all of you for your incredible feedback. I hope that you've had great experience and you've learned great stuff in CB Masters Academy workshop, and I'm absolutely excited to have you on board. I never knew that I'm going to teach my ClickBank strategies in this scale, and this happened because of your amazing feedback and help. The reason I decided to ask for your feedback before releasing CB Masters Academy was to ensure that this course is actually helpful to a new affiliate marketer like you, because unfortunately many marketers who teach ClickBank fail to teach it correctly in a way that is understandable for a new marketer with no experience. With your amazing feedback, this course has become one of the most complete and detailed ClickBank training courses on internet. CB Masters Academy isn't just about earning commissions from ClickBank, it's about building a six-figure autopilot business from ClickBank. Don't get me wrong, you have to put the work and time to make it happen, so this isn't a one-button money-making system or something like that. But if you're willing to put the work to build an amazing future for yourself, your loved one, and family, this is the course that will take you there. I remember when I started my affiliate marketing journey, I was working in a grocery store earning $8.05 an hour, living paycheck to paycheck, walking 9 miles to home because I didn't have enough money to take the bus. My journey with ClickBank was one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life. As a beginner, I didn't know where to start. I was getting hundreds of emails from different gurus and I was confused by the next shiny object, so it seemed impossible to achieve success. After a couple of years, I was finally able to crack the code, and let me tell you one thing about it. The path to success wasn't like anything I've ever seen in these so-called ClickBank courses. One of the biggest mistakes that people make on ClickBank is that they think there's only one blueprint to promote ClickBank products, but in reality, each product has its own marketing strategy and your promotion strategy should change based on that. I've been asked hundreds of times to teach ClickBank, but during the past couple of years, I've only trained a very small group of people because my teaching method is very different. I like to get as detailed as possible in everything I explain, so doing that isn't easy and it's extremely time consuming, especially for someone like me who is running multiple businesses at the same time. Long story short, after 4 months of hard work, I finally finished creating one of the best ClickBank courses on internet. A course that will teach you everything there is to know about ClickBank in details that you've never seen before. As much as I like to give this course to all of you, I don't want to have too many students in CB Masters Academy. Simply, I want to make sure that I have enough time to help each and every one of my students. So if you want to join a life-changing community and start a super ClickBank business in a short time, spend more time with your loved ones and make a life-changing decision, I'm opening CB Masters Academy for a very limited time. As I mentioned before, I don't want to have too many students, and that's why I'm opening the enrollment for a limited time for 50% off. The actual investment of the course was $197, but I'm giving you 50% off of that. I want to make this as affordable as possible for everyone to enroll. So for a limited time, you can enroll in CB Masters Academy with a small investment of $97. If you want to make a life-changing move to start a ClickBank business that will put you light years ahead of any affiliate marketer out there, it's time to take action. I'm giving 50% off, and this offer will be only available for a couple of hours. If you miss it, the price will be doubled and you'll miss my special bonuses inside our training area. I hope to see you inside.